Okay, so here's inside the door panel. This is where the latch went. And this is our pin for the door to unlock and lock. This is our pin for the interior handle. This is our electrical unlock and lock. So the Dorman part, like I said, 931045. This is the original. As you can see here, it's jammed. It's jammed. It doesn't want to do anything. This is the new one, but don't be surprised. You have to remove these two screws and add this relay. I think this is maybe for the window. So you have 1, 2 screws here. So this is the old one. Like I said, this is seized. This one here flows nicely. So I'm gonna go test it out. I'll let you know how it went.